now guys, this is RJ Putput, and now you will see what I've made in this map. Wait, now now this is my channel RJ Putput, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and smash the like button. Welcome to my map. This map you can make underwater torch and TNT, and you can make antidote, etc. Wait, I will need to get this. There is more every week. If you want more, just comment below. Down below. Only made this I only made this map before I start the video. Yeah. First, underwater torch. You'll see when it is underwater, and it is not broken when I place it. Yeah, like that. Like it. Now you will need magnesium and torch. If you want some magnesium, you will need 12, 12, 12 like this. 12 like this. This is one magnesium. And now you will need craft. This is so easy, guys. First, you will need to get book in the almost hand. Second, craft the torch and magnesium in the crafting table. Third, in the crafting table, you need to put the magnesium at the up and the torch is in the down of the magnesium. Wait. Now, I will do. Now, this. Yeah, like this. Like this. This. Like this. This is the look of the underwater torch, and you can place it. You can place it here and the water. Yeah, I see. So easy, so cool the texture, you guys. So cool. And now, and now, wait. And now this. Second is how to make glowing stick. Wait. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll just stop the vid because of something. Now you will make now the second you will make some glowing stick. Glowing stick. Yeah. We will need this. How to make a glowing stick? First, put the two hydrogen. Okay. Okay. This is so hard. First put the two oxygen beside the hydrogen, and you will get hydrogen peroxide. So suspicious. No. This. I think it's wrong. It's wrong, guys. I think this world have a problem. I think this world has a problem. I can't make glowing stick. I really can't make. Okay, you will need to search this. I just look this in YouTube. Just search the channel of this channel. The P Jones. I think that is name. I think nope. Nope. Yeah, nope. Just search Derpy Jones because he's a good YouTuber. and I think he has many subscribers. And you will need to subscribe him too. But I don't know him, but I get a notification from him. But anyway, this is the look when you craft it. And if you want this dye, you can make any color, any color. Oh, no, clear. I think it is wrong, guys. 2 hydrogen peroxide. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and now this. Hmm. Okay. I am wrong, guys. I know what kind of I lack 7A. I forgot it. I thought it was carbon. This. This hydrogen peroxide. This is the hydrogen peroxide. This is the look, guys. Glow stick. To oxygen. I said to it. To oxygen. Now, second step. Oh no, that. Put first the 8 hydrogen and put the 7 carbon. 8 hydrogen and 7 carbon and nitrogen and oxygen. 8, 7, and 0. Wait. This is wrong. Before I start the video, I test it. Beside the first put the 8 hydrogen, then put the 7 carbon beside the hydrogen, then put the 3 nitrogen beside the carbon, and blah blah blah. Get the luminol. This is the luminol, guys. This is. Oh no, this is the luminol. This is the luminol. No. But you will need this first. Yeah. Porcelain. Guys, I need to restart this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sorry guys for the long video because of the mistaken work too, because of the mistaken work. So sorry guys, but this is fast. 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's start it. I hope this is correct. Not again? By the way, this is the... But this is all of this. Porcelain. This is the porcelain. No, this is the luminol. Now, if you want to search this, I'm just a little mistake. If you want to search this, just search Derpy Jones. This. Now you will need to search this a little mistake again. Derpy. Nope. That. And Jones. This. You will need to search this. Derpy Jones. derpy jokes. If I am in Minecraft, you can call me a green boy. And now the third step is the antidote. Okay, antidote step. Use a blaze powder from the chest. Blaze powder, correct. Step, collect the 3 acquired potion. 3 acquired potion. 3 acquired potion and pick silver 47 number from the chest. Okay. Okay guys, this is the look of antidote. Use the silver in brewing stand. Okay, I already placed the chest. This is not. And now put the acquired potion in the brewing stand and put the blaze powder. Then wait until it finish. Okay. Flip. And now I will set my game mode to survival. Now I'll just wait until it finish. The antidote is now finished. Okay, use the antidote clear. Click the lever quickly before you die. Oh my gosh. The antidote used for poison, guys. The antidote used for poison. Okay, guys. This is my end of the video, but before I end, this is... Oh, I can use this clock. By the way, this is the look of the glowing stick, and when in night it glows. See, it glows. It glows at night. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, this is my end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button of the notification. And if you smash the like button and subscribe my video and click the subscribe, is that a phantom? Phantom, hey, yeah. If you click the subscribe button, just click the notification bell of my new videos. And this is the end of the video, guys. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.